Suresh Ratnam, assistant professor retired. I have been teaching English grammar for some time for the benefit of the students appearing for competitive examinations and for those who are trying to learn English, the English language. My earlier class, I spoke on homonyms or homophones. This chapter is very important for the students appearing for the competitive examinations. And for the speakers also, we have to know the difference between two words having the same pronunciation, but the spelling is different. Pronunciation is different. In my last class I told you aid and aid, break and break, air and air. So these are, in pronunciation they are same, but in spelling they are different. In spelling different and in meaning also they are different. And today I focus on this same class, scent and scent, CE and scent, SCE and scent. There is a lot of difference between this in meaning between these two words, and spelling also different. CE and scent, SCE and scent. Spelling is entirely different, meaning is entirely different. But the pronunciation is the same, scent, scent. So CE and scent means 100, 100. SCE and scent means fragrance or good smell. So examples when we use them, scent percent results came in this school. Scent percent results came in this school. Cent means 100, 100%. Results came in this school. And in another, it emits good scent. It emits good scent means it gives very good scent, sweet smell. So that is called scent. Emitting means give. It emits sweet smell or good scent. So the meaning is entirely different. Scent is 100 and another scent is good smell. Kernel and kernel. Kernel is also kernel, COLONEL, kernel. That should be pronounced as kernel. So in a military officer, the meaning is military officer. KERNEL, kernel means it is a starch in any fruit. It is a starch, STARCH. Starch in a fruit is called kernel. Suppose when we break a coconut, we call it kernel. Kernel is the starch in that coconut. So examples are, he is appointed as colonel in the army. He is appointed as the colonel in the army. His colonel means he is a military officer. Remove kernel from that coconut. Remove kernel from that coconut. When coconut is broken, we have to remove the starch and we eat it. That is called kernel. Counsel and counsel. These are the two words. Pronunciation is almost same, but spelling is different. So that is council, COUNCIL. Council means an official meeting is called council, COUNCIL. And another word similar is counsel, COUNSEL, counsel. Counsel means a kind of help, a kind of educating, giving some kind of help. You have to attend to the counseling. You have to attend to the counseling. Counseling is some kind of help meted out by some officials is called counsel. One is counsel and the other is counsel. Current has two meanings, C-U-R-R-E-N-T current and C-U-R-R-E-N-T current. Spelling is same, pronunciation is also same, but the meaning is different. C-U-R-R-E-N-T current means flow of water or flow of electricity. So this is called current. Another current is present. Current means present. So that means current affairs. We call current affairs. Current affairs means affairs that are taking place currently, presently now. So for current, two meanings are there. Same spelling, same pronunciation, but the meaning is different. C-U-R-R-E-N-T. Current, that is flow, and another word is present. Then symbol, C-Y-M-B-A-L, S-Y-M-B-O-L. C-Y-M-B-A-L symbol, it is called symbol. S-Y-M-B-O-L, it is also called symbol. Spelling is different, pronunciation is the same, but the meaning is entirely different. C-Y-M-B-A-L symbol means it's a kind of musical instrument. Symbol, musical instrument. So some two particles are clubbed together to give some sound. So that it is called symbol. C-Y-M-B-A-L. S-Y-M-B-O-L means symbol is something, some identification. Symbol is some identification. What is the symbol for this? We call it S-Y-M-B-O-L, that is. Symbol is identification. Examples are, the sound from symbols is audible. The sound from symbols is audible. So that means the sound is audible coming from the symbols, C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. This is the symbol of courage. This is the symbol of courage. So some brave activity was done by someone, and so that is shown as a symbol for his bravery. Desert and desert. These are the two words. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert, and D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Both are having the same spelling, but pronunciation is also same. So this is descent, desert and desert words having same pronunciation, same spelling also, but the meaning is entirely different. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert means leave. Desert means leave. Another D-E-S-E-R-T, desert means it's an open sand place. Open sand place, that's all. Desert. And one is leaving. One is open sand place, sand. So how to use them in practice is, she deserted her family. She deserted her family. Deserted means now left. Desert is leave, deserted past tense, so left. She deserted her family. So she left her family. So that is how we have to use. And another one is desert. We can't live in a desert. We can't live in a desert. So living in a desert is something, it's an open sandy place. We cannot live it there. So that is how these two are different words. Another pair of words is dual, D-U-A-L, dual. And another word is D-U-E-L, dual. D-U-A-L, dual means two ways. Dual means two ways. Dual tongue, dual ways, dual manners. So this is how we have to use this word, D-U-A-L, dual. D-U-E-L, dual means a rift, a small fighting like that. It is called a dual. One is D-U-A-L, dual means it is two ways. So when we use in sentences, he used dual tongue at times. He used dual tongue at times. So that means sometimes he uses dual tongue. Dual tongue means two ways of talking. Now talking in one way, and after some time talking in another way. So that is called dual. He uses dual tongue at times. And another example is Shakespeare introduced duels in many of his plays. Shakespeare introduced duels in many of his plays. D-U-E-L-S, that is duels. So small fights, fists. So they are called duels. Elicit, E-L-I-C-I-T, elicit. And another one is E-I-L-L-I-C-I-T, illicit. Illicit and illicit. A little difference is there in pronunciation also. Pronunciation and in the spelling also it is different. Meaning also different. Illicit, E-L-I-C-I-T, illicit. Illicit means getting some information from others. Getting some information from others. That is called eliciting. Illicit, E-L-L-I-C-I-T, illicit means illicit is used in such a way that wrong way, wrong business, illicit business, wrong business. When we use these two words, the teacher elicited answers from the students. The teacher elicited answers from students. So that means he asked some questions, he asked some information from students by asking questions. So that is what eliciting. Illicit is he was imprisoned because of his illicit business. He was imprisoned because of his illicit business. So that means for his wrong business, for his unjust business, he was imprisoned. Imprisoned means jailed. Exercise and exercise, slight difference is there. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Exercise means daily doing practice. Exorcise, E-X-O-R-C-I-S-E, exorcise. This is chanting some evil spirits, exorcising, chanting some evil spirits. So by mouth, claiming some evil spirits to come. So this is called exorcising. Exercise and exorcise. Daily exercise will improve health. Daily exercise will improve health. So this is exercise. Exorcising is a practice done by the exorcist. Exorcise is a practice done by the exorcist. There are some exorcists when there is something supernatural, some problem comes, people have this idea of meeting the people who are involved in supernatural spirits. So that way people go to them, and when they ask them, they will try to exorcise for the problem brought by some other person. So this is called exorcising. One is exercise and the other is exorcising. So my video, I hope, will help you much in understanding these homophones or homonyms. So by going through them, you can gain a lot of knowledge over this kind of pair of words, and you can give answers in the competitive examinations. If you like these videos, you can share it and subscribe for your continuous programming.